what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to talk about makeup brushes. Now, a lot of you are super confused as to what brushes to buy since there are a variety of options available in the market. So, this video will help you choose among those affordable, good quality options. Also, I believe if you're a beginner and if you do not want to spend like a lot of money on makeup brushes, then you can definitely use your fingers because fingers give you a really good application. They warm up the product, the foundation and concealer, and you can definitely use your fingers to apply them, as the coverage and the finish your finger gives is really good. But of course you will be needing makeup brushes to do your eye makeup and for your blush and contour. So I'm gonna give you options which are really good quality, affordable, priced around 400-500 rupees each, and they have really soft bristles, and I've been using these brushes for years now and I cannot do without them. So without much ado, let's begin. So the first brand that I want to talk about is Focallure. You get 10 brushes at 1500 rupees, which is really affordable, guys. These are the best brushes that I've seen at such a great price. So 10 brushes consisting of eye brushes as well as face brushes. The quality is really good. They have really soft bristles and they look really fancy, and they come in a really fancy good looking pouch as well. So yeah, I would recommend you guys, if you want like a brush kit, then go for this one because this is the cheapest and the greatest quality brushes that you will get. Totally recommend these, and I'm not going to show you the brushes all over again because I've already done a detailed video on them on how they can be used in multiple ways. So please check that video out. I'll link it at the top and I'll also link it down in the description box, so do check that out. Now moving on, I'm going to talk about the brushes which I have here. So I'm going to show you some brushes which are really important and which I feel everybody needs in their vanity. So we'll start with the foundation brush. So I have these two brushes here which are the foundation brushes. Now we'll start with the flat one. It's from Pro Art. It's called the AF03 brush. You can see it's a flat foundation brush. Now I use it to apply my foundation, and even sometimes I use it to apply the moisturizer, and I have been using this to blend my contour of late as well. So yeah, this is a really good multi-purpose brush. Then I have again a foundation brush from PAC, the 231 foundation brush, and I just love this brush. And I just love this brush because the coverage and the finish it gives is amazing. It is really dense, and I use it to buff out my foundation and to blend it out. It gives a really good coverage and a really good finish, and I love using this with my full coverage foundations.
पास्ता खाना है?
नहीं.
बिग चिली स्मोक हाउस का.
हाँ. Now you do not want both of these brushes in your vanity. If you want, you can get both of them, but you need only one of them. If you are used to applying the foundation and concealer with your beauty blender, then you can use this brush. And if you like using brush for your foundation, then I would suggest you to get this brush. So this one's from Pro Art and this one's from PAC, and both are my favorite brands for makeup brushes. Moving on, I have these two concealer brushes. This one is a flat concealer brush, the PAC 317 brush, and it looks very similar to the matte brush as well. I have lots of brushes from PAC Cosmetics which look similar to MAC. So this is one of them, and this is the flat concealer brush, PAC 317. Now I use this brush to apply my concealer sometimes. I use this brush to clean my eyeliner, like to get a sharp wing. If you spoil your liner, you can clean it, take little concealer and then clean your liner, and you'll get a really sharp nice wing. Also I sometimes use it to clean my lips as well. Whenever I make any mess on the lips, this comes really handy. And also this can be used to clean the eyebrows and to enhance them furthermore. So this comes really handy for those purposes. Next I have another concealer brush from PAC. It's the 272 brush. You can see it's slightly angled and is dense as well, so I like using it to apply my concealer as it goes really well here, and it blends out the concealer really nicely and gives a really good finish, which I love. Also, I've seen so many YouTubers use this brush, and trust me, this is amazing for your concealer. And even I like using it to do my bronzer or cream contour sometimes. It works really well. Also, you can use this brush to set your under eyes with powder, or you can even use this to bake your under eyes. So this is a multi-purpose brush, and if you're not using this, then you can definitely use a beauty blender to set your under eyes with powder or loose powder. Now again, you do not want both of these brushes, but I feel you need this brush if you're not good with your wing liner, or if you sometimes make a mess with the lips, and even to conceal this eyebrow thing. So you will need this brush. I would suggest you guys to invest in this brush definitely, and you can skip buying this brush if you are good with doing the concealer with your beauty blender. Then you can definitely skip this brush. Next, I have these two brushes which are used for blush and even for contour. So firstly, I'm going to talk about this brush. This is the Pro Art AF11, and you can see it's slightly angled, and it's just perfect to do the bronzing or contour and even to apply the blush. And next, I have this really soft, cute brush from PAC. It's the 245. It's a 245 brush. I use it to apply my blush and sometimes my bronzer as well. So these brushes are for blush and contour or your bronzer. You can buy any of these brushes, and yeah, I'll mention all the brushes in the description box as well. You can get them from Nykaa or even from the Pro Art website and the PAC website. Also guys, I completely forgot to talk about this brush from Glasm Cosmetics. It's the A004. It's a contour brush. You can see it's angled, and it is really densely packed, so it's just perfect to blend your contour. You can also think about this brush before buying the blush brush and the contour brush, so you can also keep this in option. Guys, I think the video is getting longer and we should just stop it here, and I'll do the second part in tomorrow's video, wherein we'll be talking about eye brushes. So yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and if you like this one, make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment below and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time. Bye bye.